Colorado Springs, here I come. I'm on the airport and I'm on my way to Colorado Springs to Yuri and Bruce to do their basement. So from desert to this. So we're here like around lunch and now it's 4 o'clock. So from Denver, we're finally here at the house at Colorado Springs, and this is the first part of the project. It's the living area. So here's the living. What's up everybody, good evening, and this is the first day, first night on the weekend project for the basement for you and Bruce. I just got here in Colorado, and from the airport we head straight to IKEA to purchase the things that we will be needing on this project, and most likely 80% on stock and 80% of the stuff that we need for the project, and we had it all. So now I'm doing my homework for the agenda tomorrow and things that we gotta do for tomorrow, and doing some shopping lists and also the assignment that I have to do for tomorrow, so we don't waste time on this weekend project. So I'm so excited, and stay tuned. Good morning. This is a day 2 for the weekend. I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna go start shopping and do some other stuff for today. So see you guys later. This is the fun part. We gotta do cleaning. I'd finished pretty much, so see you guys tomorrow.
This is pretty amazing. I mean,
whoa!
I don't know what to say. I mean, holy crap. It's amazing.
Whoa, this is an absolute transformation.
Holy.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe this.
I think we're gonna need a bigger TV.
I mean, yeah, we...
Probably.
Whoa!
Change size.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I used to hate these windows because of the heat.
This is...
But now I'm like, whoa! I know the spiders are still there, but that way it looks amazing.
Holy crap! Yeah, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing.
Wow, sis, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is our living room.
Wow. Guys, this is Lezima Designs right here. This right here, our total transformation. She had it all in her head, and now here it is. Yeah, amazing.
I can't believe.
Is it a pass?
What do you think?
That's amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Who would have thought that this would be? What is it pretty?
Looking at this makes me feel like I'm in some restaurant.
Oh
Yay! They say it's fast.
Yes, definitely.
my God, this is 300% fast.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Like, not just fast, but.
Lezima Designs.
Whoa, this.
Lezima Designs. Buy her services. This is incredible.
Yeah, guys.
Whoop, whoop. Hope you guys enjoy this transformation, and please do visit my website lezimadesigns.com for more inspirational designs. And please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and see you again next time for more transformations. And again, this is Lezima Designs, transforming homes.